Hey everybody, welcome back to Brent's Backyard Redneckery. You can hear that? It's annoying. Anyway, that's not why we're here today. We're going to do some more blackberry bush planting. So this is going to be the secondary method I'm going to try and see how it works. I've got 4 different cuttings. These are probably going to be pretty hard to see, but these are my cuttings. They're each one about 3 feet long. What we're going to do is shove these down in the ground. So let's go ahead and I'll tell you what you need to do. All right, so right here I've got my raspberry bushes. I'm going to plant my blackberries right over here next to it in this spot right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this handy dandy tool. I believe this is actually a flower bulb planter, but we're going to use it for our blackberries. So let's do that. So this isn't all that difficult. You're just going to stomp it down in the ground, loosen that up, and we got us a nice little hole there. So we're going to put these cuttings. So we've got these cuttings cut right here at about a 45, and we need to get at least 2 of our nodes down in there. So there's 1, 2. Let's see if our depth is about right. Okay, got 1, 2. Yep. So that's in there just about right. So we'll just put the dirt back in that, and we'll do that for all 4 of these. All I've done here is take my cutting and shove it down in that hole that I made. I'll get some of that out of the way so you can see. And then press my dirt down in there to where it's tight. And this isn't really all that wobbly. So that's what we're going to do with all 4 of these, is just get them taken care of like that. All right, so what I've done is I've taken my cutting and pressed it down in there. And then all you'll have to do is take your dirt like this, push it down in there where it's all the way around and covers up those nodes. Because that's all we got to do, because that's where our roots are going to come from. So once we got that in there, just make sure it's pretty tight. Wiggle around, jiggle around, get your stuff in there. Okay, so now we got 2 of them. We'll get that finished up and we'll wrap this up. All right, so that's basically what you're looking at to get your blackberry cuttings in the ground and get them to root. Got them all in there 2 nodes deep. I've got them at different angles, so hopefully they won't all grow all over each other. But I'm sure, knowing my luck, that's exactly what they'll do. All right, guys, that does it for today's episode. Hope you guys have learned something. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Come back next time, and I'll tell you what you need to do. Y'all have a good one.